So accelerated bridge construction is a technique that we use that actually increases the speed of how quickly we can replace some of the bridges, and it also decreases basically our impact to the public during that weekend closure when we actually replace a bridge. Our first weekend closure is going to occur on September 6th, Friday evening, starting at 9 p.m., and will be closed until Monday morning at 4 a.m. This first project is on the Northeast Extension, just north of the Lehigh Valley Interchange. And what we'll be doing is demolishing the existing superstructure and then replacing it with the new superstructure. How we'll do that is actually trucking in these large pieces and setting them with pretty large cranes in place, and we'll have the bridge back open by Monday morning. Later in September, we're going to have another ABC Bridge project starting. That is actually going to be over 2 different weekends. Our first weekend, we will be shutting down eastbound directions. There we will be replacing a full bridge replacement, in fact, over Norfolk Southern Railroad. We will have our substructure units already cast in place, and then during that weekend closure, we'll demolish the existing superstructure and replace it with our new superstructure. The following weekend, we'll actually finish up with westbound. We are asking our customers to plan ahead. This is, and we apologize, this is going to be an inconvenience to them for sure during the weekend. We are hoping that they try to avoid the area as much as possible, because we do know that traffic counts will be higher. The detours could take up to an hour of a delay, so it's best to try to avoid the area. And if you do need to be there, we do have detour maps in place, but do expect a delay. So for more information, you can visit our website. It's at paturnpike.com/abc. We have over 1,000 structures on the Turnpike. Over 800 of them are bridges that are inspected on a regular basis. Our bridges are in very good repair. These are older structures that need to be replaced. So leading up to these weekend closures, the contractor has been preparing for this bridge replacement, casting new superstructures off-site. During the weekend closure, we will be demolishing the existing superstructures and replacing them with the new ones. Well, accelerated bridge construction drastically decreases the amount of traffic impacts to the traveling public. We basically compress the traffic control into 1 weekend as opposed to potentially 2 years of construction. While we understand this is going to be an inconvenience to our customers, these closures are the safest way for both our workers and for the traveling public. For customers that are going to be traveling the Turnpike on these weekends, we're asking them to make sure that they provide some extra time in their schedule to try to avoid the area if at all possible, and to make sure you follow the detours.
nobody's got to put on airs from it.